Control Quarky robot with AI finger and body detection, Python in Pictoblox. Hey creators! Rocket ever wanted to control a robot with just your body movements or a flick of your fingers? Today, we're merging AI magic with robotics. We'll use Python in Pictoblox to make Quarky dance, move, and follow commands using *I human body and finger detection libraries. Let's dive in. In this video, you'll learn how to 1. Set up Quarky in Pictoblox. 2. Use AI libraries to detect fingers and human poses. 3. Write Python code to turn gestures into robot actions. Stick around, we'll even troubleshoot common issues. Here's what you'll need. Quarky robot, connected via USB. Pictoblox, download link in description. The ** human body detection ** and finger detection ** AI extensions. Let's install the libraries and connect Quarky. First, let's initialize the camera and AI models. Watch this. When I hold up 2 fingers, Quarky moves forward. Raise my left hand, and the LED turns green. With these libraries, you can map * any gesture to any action. The possibilities are endless. Here's how it works. The camera feed is analyzed frame by frame. The AI models detect fingers, body parts and output data. Python checks conditions, like finger count, and triggers Quarky's motors, LEDs. You can tweak the code to add dances, sounds, or obstacle avoidance. Thanks for watching. If you loved this project, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for more robo fun. Let me know in the comments, what should Quarky do next? Hand waving until next time. Code, create, conquer.